You change your oil on time. You use the right viscosity. You bought a decent bottle of synthetic from a brand you recognize, and then you grabbed an oil filter off the shelf, maybe whichever one was on sale, maybe the one that looked like it would fit, screwed it on, and figured you were done doing right by your engine. But here is something most Hyundai owners never find out until it is too late. The oil filter you choose matters far more than most people realize, and the wrong one can quietly cause damage that builds up over thousands of miles before it ever shows up on a dipstick or a warning light. Today we are going through the specific oil filter brands and types you should never put on a Hyundai, and then we are going to give you the 5 that actually earn their place under the hood. This is not a generic oil filter ranking video. Everything we cover today is specific to how Hyundai engines are built, how they behave, and what they actually need from a filter to stay healthy long-term. Hyundai engines have some very specific characteristics that make filter selection more consequential than it might be on other vehicles. The turbocharged engines, the 1.6T, the 2.0T, and the high-output 2.5T found in the N and N-line models run at higher oil temperatures and higher oil flow demands than naturally aspirated engines. The turbocharger itself relies entirely on a constant supply of clean, pressurized oil to keep its bearings lubricated and cool. Any filter that restricts flow, bypasses early under pressure, or fails to hold captured contaminants in place puts that turbocharger at direct risk. Even on naturally aspirated Hyundai engines like the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder in the base Sonata or the 3.5-liter V6 in the Palisade, oil filter quality still matters significantly. Hyundai's engines are built with tight manufacturing tolerances. The clearances between bearing surfaces and journal surfaces are very precise. Larger particles or oil that is not being adequately filtered can score those surfaces over time, and once bearing surfaces are damaged, no oil change in the world reverses it. The filter is your engine's first line of defense, and it needs to be the right one. Here is what this video covers. We will walk through 7 specific oil filter categories and brands that Hyundai owners should avoid. And for each one, we will explain exactly why. Not just tell you to skip it, but show you the engineering reason it falls short for a Hyundai application. Then we will give you 5 filters that have proven themselves through real-world use, independent lab testing, and direct compatibility with how Hyundai builds its engines. By the time we are done, you will never have to guess at the filter shelf again. Filter 1 to avoid. No-name house. Brand filters from generic retailers. The first category to avoid is the unbranded or generic house brand filter you find at discount auto parts stores and big box retailers. These filters are typically manufactured overseas to the lowest price point the retailer can source, with no published filtration efficiency data, no documented bypass valve pressure specs, and no independent testing backing their claims. The filter might look correct, it might thread on without issue, but what is inside the canister is where the problems begin. Generic filters commonly use low-density cellulose filter media that captures larger particles but allows fine metallic debris, particles in the 5 to 15 micron range, to pass straight through. Those are exactly the particles that cause the most damage to precision bearing surfaces in a Hyundai engine. A filter that stops the big chunks but lets the fine abrasive material recirculate is doing less than half the job. Beyond the media quality, these filters often have poorly calibrated anti-drainback valves. When your Hyundai sits overnight, the oil in the filter should be retained by that valve so that when you start the engine, pressurized oil reaches the bearings quickly. A weak or absent anti-drainback valve means the filter drains dry, and your engine spends the first few seconds of every cold start running its bearings with minimal lubrication. Over years and tens of thousands of starts, that adds up. Filter 2 to avoid, Fram Orange Can Extra Guard. Fram is one of the most recognized names in oil filtration, and their Orange Extra Guard line is one of the best-selling filters in North America. It is also one of the most frequently criticized by engine builders, independent testers, and experienced technicians, and for good reasons that go directly to how Hyundai engines operate. The Fram Extra Guard uses a cardboard end cap to hold the filter media in place inside the canister. Independent cutaway tests have shown that this end cap can degrade over time, particularly in high-temperature applications, and can allow oil to bypass the filter media entirely by flowing around the edges of the cap rather than through it. For a naturally aspirated engine running at moderate temperatures on a relaxed service interval, the risk is lower. For a Hyundai turbocharged engine that regularly sees high oil temperatures, extended highway driving, and demanding operating conditions, a filter that can bypass its own media is not acceptable. The bypass valve pressure rating on the extra guard is also on the lower side, which means under cold start conditions with thick oil, it may open and allow unfiltered oil to circulate before the engine is fully warmed up. Filter 3 to avoid, SuperTech from Walmart. SuperTech is Walmart's in-house brand, and it has developed a cult following among budget-conscious DIY oil changers. The price point is hard to argue with. You can grab a SuperTech filter for well under $3 in most stores. But for Hyundai applications, particularly turbocharged variants, the SuperTech filter represents a false economy. Independent teardown testing of SuperTech filters has shown inconsistent media quality across production batches, inadequate silicone anti-drainback valves that harden and fail faster than premium alternatives, and bypass valve spring tension that does not consistently meet the pressure tolerances needed for high-flow Hyundai turbo engines. The filter may perform adequately in a high-mileage, naturally aspirated domestic engine that is not particularly sensitive to filtration quality. But in a Hyundai with a turbocharger that depends on clean, consistently pressurized oil from the moment the engine fires, SuperTech introduces too many variables. Your oil and your time are worth more than the $1 or $2 you save at the register. Filter 4 to avoid. Cheap Chinese manufactured filters sold on Amazon. The rise of third-party automotive parts on Amazon has created a minefield for Hyundai owners doing their own oil changes. You search for your filter cross-reference number, and you get dozens of results, many of them under $5, with hundreds of positive reviews and professional-looking product photography. The problem is that a significant number of these filters are manufactured without any compliance to established filtration standards, and there is essentially no accountability when a filter fails. These filters frequently use the thinnest possible steel for the canister, which can deform slightly during installation and compromise the seal against the engine block. The filter media is often the lowest grade available, high-porosity cellulose that lets fine particles pass freely. Anti-drainback valves are commonly made from the cheapest rubber compounds available, which break down quickly when exposed to the detergents in modern synthetic oil. And the bypass valves in these filters are often completely uncalibrated. Some open too easily, flooding the engine with unfiltered oil during cold starts, while others are too stiff and can cause oil starvation in the upper engine when flow demand spikes. No reputable engine builder or Hyundai technician will put one of these near a customer's car, and you should not either. Filter 5 to avoid. Wrong micron rating. Filters for turbo Hyundais. This one catches owners off guard because the filter they are avoiding might actually be a quality brand, just the wrong specification for their specific engine. Filtration efficiency is measured in microns, and different Hyundai engines have different requirements. A filter with a 25 or 30 micron absolute efficiency rating is appropriate for some naturally aspirated applications, but a turbocharged Hyundai engine needs a filter that works at finer tolerances, typically in the 15 micron range or below for high-efficiency filters, and down to single digits for the premium synthetic media filters. The turbocharger bearings in a Hyundai 1.6T or 2.0T operate at very tight clearances, and they spin at speeds that can exceed 200,000 revolutions per minute under boost. At those speeds and pressures, particles that a coarser filter would allow to pass can cause detectable wear on the turbo bearings. Some owners install filters that are technically cross-referenced to fit their car, but are designed for a heavier-duty or lower sensitivity application, like a fleet diesel or a high-mileage conventional oil engine, and the filtration rating does not match what the Hyundai Turbo needs. Always verify the micron efficiency rating, not just the thread size and gasket diameter, before installing any filter on a turbocharged Hyundai. Filter 6 to avoid. Extended life filters used on standard intervals. Extended life filters are designed to hold more contaminant capacity than a standard filter, allowing them to remain effective for 15,000 or even 20,000 mile drain intervals when paired with the appropriate full synthetic oil. On paper, this sounds like a great deal. In practice, on a Hyundai, it creates a problem that most owners never anticipate. Extended life filters are engineered with higher capacity media that is designed to remain at low restriction even as it fills with contaminants over a long service period. But this capacity-focused design often means the initial filtration efficiency, the performance of the filter when it is clean and new, is slightly lower than a premium standard interval filter. If you are changing your Hyundai's oil at 5,000 to 7,000 mile intervals, As most turbocharged Hyundai applications recommend, you are installing and removing an extended life filter, while it still has most of its capacity remaining. You are paying for capacity you are never using, and getting slightly lower initial filtration efficiency in return. Use filters matched to your actual service interval, not filters designed for an interval you are not following. Filter 7 to avoid: OEM-looking counterfeit Hyundai filters. This last category is the most insidious because it specifically targets Hyundai owners who are doing the right thing, trying to buy a genuine Hyundai OEM filter. Counterfeit Hyundai filters have been documented in several online marketplaces and even at some unscrupulous parts resellers. They use packaging that closely mimics the genuine Hyundai parts box, carry what appears to be an authentic part number, and are often priced slightly below the standard OEM price to make them look like a deal. Inside, they are assembled with substandard materials that bear no relation to the engineering specifications Hyundai's genuine filters are built to. The counterfeit filters have been found with undersized media area, incorrect bypass valve pressures, and anti-drainback valves made from materials that fail within the first few thousand miles. The only reliable way to avoid counterfeit OEM filters is to purchase genuine Hyundai filters directly from a Hyundai dealership parts counter or from a reputable distributor that sources directly from Hyundai's genuine parts supply chain. If the price seems too good for a genuine OEM filter, it almost certainly is not genuine. Filter 1 that works: genuine Hyundai OEM filter. The safest and most straightforward choice for any Hyundai is the genuine OEM filter sourced directly from a Hyundai dealership or verified OEM parts supplier. Hyundai engineers spec their filters specifically for the flow characteristics, operating temperatures, bypass valve pressures, and filtration requirements of each engine in their lineup. The OEM filter for the 1.6T is not the same as the OEM filter for the 2.5T, and both are different from what goes on the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter. Every parameter has been matched to the engine it serves. Genuine Hyundai filters use high-quality synthetic blend media, properly rated silicone anti-drainback valves, and precision-calibrated bypass springs. They are validated against Hyundai's own engine test standards, which means they have been cycled through thousands of hours of simulated operating conditions on actual Hyundai engines before they are approved for production. The price is moderate, typically in the $8 to $12 range from the dealer parts window, and they represent the benchmark against which every other filter on this list is measured. Filter 2 that works: Mobile 1 Extended Performance. Mobile 1's Extended Performance filter consistently ranks among the top performers in independent filtration testing, and it is an excellent choice for Hyundai turbocharged engines running full synthetic oil. The filter uses synthetic fiber media that delivers filtration efficiency down into the single-digit micron range, capturing fine metallic particles that cellulose media filters routinely miss. The silicone anti-drainback valve is robust, retains oil reliably through cold overnight sits, and holds up against synthetic oil detergents over extended service periods. The Mobile 1 Extended Performance also carries a legitimate capacity rating for longer drain intervals, up to 15,000 miles when paired with Mobile 1 full synthetic oil. But it performs exceptionally well even on standard 5,000 to 7,000 mile intervals because its initial filtration efficiency is high, regardless of how much capacity has been used. For Hyundai owners who want a premium aftermarket option with documented performance credentials and wide availability, the Mobile 1 Extended Performance is one of the easiest recommendations on this list. Filter 3 that works: Wix XP. Wix has been manufacturing filtration products for OEM automotive applications for decades, and their XP line is their premium synthetic media filter designed specifically for modern turbocharged engines running full synthetic oil. The Wix XP uses a full synthetic media pack with a large surface area, which means it maintains low pressure drop across the filter, even as it accumulates contaminants. An important characteristic for turbocharged Hyundais where consistent oil pressure is critical for turbo bearing health. What sets the Wix XP apart from many competitors is the documented transparency about its performance specifications. Wix publishes filtration efficiency data, bypass valve pressure ratings, and anti-drainback valve specifications for their XP line, which allows you to verify that the filter you are putting on your Hyundai actually meets the parameters your engine needs. Independent teardown reviews of the Wix XP consistently find construction quality that matches its stated specifications. No cardboard end caps, no undersized media, no weak bypass springs. It is a filter that earns its reputation. Filter 4. That works. K&N Performance Gold. K&N is best known for intake systems, but their Performance Gold oil filter line deserves serious consideration for Hyundai applications, particularly for owners who are slightly more aggressive with their driving or live in hotter climates where oil temperatures run elevated. The Performance Gold filter uses a synthetic blend media with a wrinkled construction that increases surface area beyond what a standard pleated design provides, which translates to lower restriction at high oil flow demands, exactly the condition a Hyundai turbo engine creates during hard acceleration. The K&N Performance Gold also features a 17mm nut welded to the end cap, which makes removal easier in tight engine bays, and Hyundai engine bays are notoriously tight, particularly on the Tucson, Elantra, and Sonata, where the filter placement can make a standard strap wrench difficult to position properly. The nut allows a standard socket to be used for removal, which reduces the chance of the filter slipping and spilling oil inside the engine compartment during a DIY oil change. It is a practical engineering detail that makes the filter easier to live with. Filter 5 that works. Bosch Distance Plus. Bosch has deep roots in European automotive engineering, and their Distance Plus filter brings that engineering heritage to Hyundai applications in a way that is genuinely well matched to how Hyundai builds its engines. The Distance Plus uses a full synthetic media with a very fine filtration rating, and the filter is constructed with a metal end cap rather than cardboard, which addresses one of the primary failure modes found in lower quality filters when exposed to high heat. The silicone anti-drainback valve in the Bosch Distance Plus has been specifically engineered to remain flexible at low temperatures, which means it seals effectively even after a cold overnight sit in winter conditions. For Hyundai owners in cold climates where morning startups happen well below freezing, this characteristic matters. A rubber anti-drainback valve that hardens in the cold will not seat properly, and oil will drain back out of the filter overnight. The first few seconds of a cold start then happen with significantly reduced oil pressure at the top of the engine and at the turbocharger. The Bosch Distance Plus addresses that cold start vulnerability in a way that many of its competitors do not. The bottom line: your Hyundai's oil filter is not a place to save $2. The engine inside your car was built with tight tolerances, engineered to run on clean oil, and in the turbocharged variants, fitted with a turbocharger that depends on reliable oil pressure and filtration quality every single time you start the engine. A filter that bypasses early, uses degraded media, or fails its anti-drainback valve function is not a theoretical problem. It is a real-world source of gradual engine wear that compounds over every oil change interval until it shows up as excessive engine noise, premature bearing wear, or a turbocharger that needs replacement well before its time. Stick with the genuine Hyundai OEM filter, the Mobile 1 Extended Performance, the Wix XP, the K&N Performance Gold, or the Bosch Distance Plus. Any one of those 5 gives your Hyundai engine what it was built to receive: clean, consistently pressurized oil from the first second of startup to the last mile of the drain interval. Avoid the no-name generics, the Fram Orange Can, the Supertech, the cheap Amazon unknowns, the mismatched micron ratings, the misapplied extended life filters, and above all, the counterfeit OEM packaging. None of them are worth the risk. If this helped you make a smarter call at the parts store, hit that like button and subscribe. We cover Hyundai ownership the right way, with the details that actually matter. We will see you in the next one.